Hello everyone, welcome back to Naina Tech. And in today's video, I will show you how to create the SAP account and how to register for the BTP trial account. To create the SAP account, you have to go to sap.com and here click on this icon. And if you don't have SAP account, you have to create from this one, create your SAP account. And here you have to enter your details, first name, last name, country, and phone number and email address, and all these details you have to fill it and click on submit. Okay, and after that you will receive one email for the activation. Then open your email and activate the account. Once you activate the account, then you have to go to the BTP trial account. Yeah, this is the URL for the BTP trial account. That is cockpit.hanatrial.onedemand.com. Enter the SAP account which you have created just now, and enter the password. Verify your telephone number, and here enter the captcha. Yes, and click on request code. You will receive one OTP to your mobile number, and enter the OTP here and click on continue. Now for the trial account, there are two regions, so you have to choose any one of the region to create the trial account. So I will choose US East AWS and click on the create account. Now it will create global accounts, sub accounts, organization, and space. See, global account is created now. So trial account is created now, and global accounts, sub accounts are assigned, and click on continue. Now you can see here, welcome to SAP BTP trial account. So click on go to your trial account. Here you can see this is the global account, and this is the trial account. Sorry, this is the sub account. Okay, click on the sub account. And this is the overview screen for sub account trial. And here you can see the region AWS and all the details of the sub account. Um, this is the space, dev, which is created by default for the trial account. and default memory limit is 4 GB for the trial account. And these are the services available for the trial account. This is the service name, plan, and code assignment. You can see here, see SAP HANA Cloud, SAP Build Code, different services, CPI services. You can enable for the trial account. And this is the place where that instance and subscriptions. Here you can activate the BTP services like CPI, IAS, IPS, and SAP Build. I have made separate videos for the each services. I will put the URL in the description. You can go through it. And this is the Cloud Foundries. You can see here spaces, space quotas. See 4 GB of memory is assigned to the trial account. And this is the connectivity. Here you can uh, configure the here you can configure the cloud connectors. Here you can configure the cloud connector and create the destination between the BTP and S4HANA system. I have made a separate video for the cloud connector and destinations. I will place the URL in the description. You can go through it. And this is the security. Like you can create the users and you can assign the roles. These things you can make the trust configuration from here actually in the under security. uh, yeah, that's it guys. If you like the video, hit like, share, and subscribe to Nahina Tech.